Hey everyone, welcome to this really basic video. We're going to be showing you how to get started with your DXP instance. So we want to set up and run an instance of Liferay using one of the following methods, the DXP Cloud instance or a local instance. In our bonus exercises, you can explore the platform a little bit. So we want to create a Liferay bundles folder and unzip the Liferay bundle there. We'll start the Liferay Tomcat bundle, deploy an activation key. We'll complete the Liferay setup wizard as an administrator for Livingston Hotels and Resorts. If you want to continue experimenting, you can explore the general section and change the main domain to use livingston.com. You can go back to instance settings and choose which languages to use on the platform in localization, and explore the users section of the instance settings and add some default user associations. Let's go ahead and get started. For this, there are two prerequisites. The first is having Java JDK 8 or 11, and secondly is having the Java home environment variable set. I have my activation key here on my desktop in a folder, and I have also created this folder structure, going from local disk to Liferay to bundles. It's very important that you unzip your bundle here because Windows has some specifications about how long a path name can be. Doing this will make sure that everything works for us. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to unzip this bundle. We're going to use a third-party tool for this. A default Windows extraction will not complete the process correctly. 7-zip or WinZip are great. I'll tell it to extract here. And then we can go ahead and we can click into our bundle. To start Liferay, we're going to head to our Tomcat folder, and we're going to navigate to the bin directory. Scroll down until you find the startup.bat file. And when we click on this, we'll see a Tomcat window pop up. If this window doesn't show up, it's usually because your JDK is not installed or you haven't set that Java home environment variable. This is going to take a little bit, so I'll go ahead and speed the video up. The whole process can take a couple minutes, but as soon as it's done, it'll launch your default browser and we'll get this basic configuration page. Here we'll edit our portal name. So for our use case, we're just going to use the Livingston Hotels and Resorts. Use English, coordinated universal time, and then we'll set up our admin. His first name is Josiah, and his last name is Copeland. And when we're all done, we'll click Finish Configuration. Since I'm installing DXP for the first time, I require an activation key, and that's what this page here is prompting us for. If you're installing CE, there's no activation key necessary. I'm going to navigate back over to my bundle, and I'll head to the deploy folder. Now I'll go over to my activation key. I'm going to copy it. You see shortly after I paste it into the deploy folder, it disappears. And you'll notice that a new line in our Tomcat window informs us that we are now registered. I'll go back over to my browser, and I'll reload the page. And now we are viewing our portal in localhost 8080 with the new name that we've given it. We have our admin user set up, so we'll sign in as him. The default password, since we haven't set anything yet, is just test, all lowercase. We have our terms of use placeholder, which you can agree to. And now we can set our real password. I actually really like test, but you should probably do something a little more robust than me. We'll click Save. And then for our password reminder question, I have what is your father's middle name? Believe it or not, it was actually also test, lowercase.